Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to our YouTube channel Almashhadi 99 Immiconsult Private Limited. The topic of today's video is Pakistani extension, visa extension update. In this video, we want to give you two most important information and update about the Pakistani visa. For those who are living in Pakistan, all foreigners who are living in Pakistan and their visa was expired or they are overstayed. So first of all, Pakistani government removed all the heavy fines till 14 August 2021. As if you are overstayed, you have to apply before 14 August 2021 and you will not find a penny and you will just pay a normal fee. Second update is this visa extension will not be considered as a overstay. So you will be so clean, and if you are planning to travel any country, your track record of visiting any country will be safe and secure. Thank you very much. Hopefully you will like this update, and this is and you will soon take an advantage from this update and this opportunity from Pakistani government, and you will be glad to have this opportunity. Thank you very much.